how to log into MyEtherWallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, after installing your MyEtherWallet application and after creating your account, how can you sign back in? So over here, you'll see the option of Import Existing Wallet. Just tap on it. Now tap on Restore with Recovery Phase. So make sure that you have noted down all your recovery phases while creating the account. Now tap on Continue and now enter all your recovery phases that you have noted down. Then tap on Restore. Then you have to create a PIN here. Now retype your PIN again. Now wait for a while. Okay, now after this, just tap on Finish. Now you can see that you have successfully been logged in to your account in MyEtherWallet. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.